Hello everyone. Welcome to Ava Talks Crypto. I'm your host, Ava, and I'll be bringing you all the latest and hottest news happening in and around the crypto space. For today's top stories, Bitcoin dips below $29,000 as BNB slides after a report on DOJ's Binance concerns. Binance's CEO warns crypto community about emerging scam. MicroStrategy now owns $4.4 billion worth of Bitcoin as it returns to profit. Ripple's CEO slams SEC over the use of XRP report in lawsuit. Kenya suspends Worldcoin's crypto project over safety concerns. For our first-time viewers, Ava Talks Crypto is a YouTube channel that covers all things related to crypto. We also upload daily market report videos for our viewers who want a closer look at the market performances of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and trending altcoins. Before we begin, please support what we do by giving this video a like and subscribing to our channel. Hit that bell icon to get notifications whenever we upload new videos and be one of the first to learn about the latest news. You can also share our videos with your friends who may be interested. Let us know what you think by leaving a comment below. Now, let's discuss the latest headlines. First up, the crypto markets have reversed overnight gains alongside weakness in stock markets and rising treasury yields. After briefly retaking the $30,000 level, Bitcoin has given up those gains following the Samava report on Binance. Bitcoin briefly dipped below the $29,000 level as the crypto markets erased all overnight gains following a report on the Department of Justice mulling criminal charges against crypto exchange Binance. Binance, the world's largest crypto exchange firm, could face fraud charges from the DOJ. However, prosecutors are worried about potentially spurring a bank run on the exchange, similar to what happened to FTX's collapse in November 2022. U.S. officials are weighing alternatives, such as fines and deferred or non-prosecution agreements, in order to mitigate harm for consumers. Following the report, BTC plunged to as low as $28,933. It pared some of the losses as investors digested the development. By the end of the trading day, the BTC was trading at $29,117. Binance's native token, BNB, also fell 4% but was able to slightly recover. The token was trading at around $240, which is still down 2% over the last 24 hours. According to Will Clemente, co-founder of market research firm Reflexivity Research, the news actually seems less bearish than the headline initially reads. The Binance DOJ announcement has had investors worried for months. Now that it's out, it seems like there's finally a resolution, which is not as bad as everyone expected. Bitcoin did rally as high as $30,032 during the night before reversing all overnight gains alongside a big slide in stocks and gains for U.S. Treasury yields. The pullback erased all gains that occurred after Bitcoin holder MicroStrategy announced plans to raise funds to boost its coin stash. The rating agency Fitch also downgraded its credit rating for the United States government from AAA to AA+. The agency cited repeated brinkmanship over the debt ceiling. Up next, we have Binance CEO and founder Changpeng Zhao warning the crypto community about an emerging scam. According to Zhao, the scheme consists of mirroring addresses and sending dust transactions to users to trick them into sending funds to the scammer's wallet. The CEO warned his followers on X about the tricky and increasingly popular scam that's currently targeting the crypto community, in which fake wallet addresses are used to defraud users during transactions. The scheme generates addresses with the same starting and ending characters as the user's original address. After the mirrored address has been generated, the scammer sends the target user dust transactions that will reflect on the victim's transaction history. If the victim copies and pastes the address from one of the dust transactions, the funds will then be sent to the scammer's wallet instead of the user's wallet. According to Zhao, a well-experienced crypto operator recently fell victim to the scam. According to him, the victim sent cryptocurrencies worth $20 million to a dust address. The operator did notice the error right after the transaction and requested that Binance freeze the tether before it reached the scammer. Zhao further stated that this scam could be avoided by using a blockchain domain, such as the Ethereum name service. Blockchain domains are similar to email addresses, which allow users to identify their wallets using regular words instead of a long string of letters and numbers. Binance users can purchase coins through the platform. A security specialist also added that it is not recommended for users to copy and paste addresses from applications to transfer funds. Users are also advised to use strong, unique passwords for crypto accounts and enable two-factor authentication on applications. Thankfully, Binance responded in time and was able to help the user avoid a major security incident. However, other victims were less fortunate. Replying to Zhao's thread, another user reported sending $20,000 USDT to a dust address in a similar scam. The victim did contact the Binance support team within 20 minutes after the transaction. Unfortunately, no option was provided to freeze the funds. Nearly 12 hours after the incident, the victim's funds were transferred to a crypto mixer, and chances of recovery became non-existent. Coinbase users also reported similar security incidents, with victims reporting scams and phishing attacks related to the company's services and applications. Some scammers even contacted clients using the domain name of the crypto exchange. Moving on, Michael Saylor's MicroStrategy now owns $4.4 billion worth of Bitcoin as the company returns to profit. As of July 31st, MicroStrategy now holds 152,800 BTC and is back in the black. MicroStrategy is a business intelligence firm and one of the largest corporate holders of Bitcoin in the United States. It recently managed to return to profitability in the second quarter amid a surge in the price of Bitcoin. In a Q2 earnings result filing that was posted at the beginning of August, MicroStrategy reported $22.2 million in net income. This amount is a massive swing from the net loss of $1.1 billion in the prior year period. Total revenues were mostly flat at $120.4 million. Most of the swing was attributed to a comparatively smaller digital asset impairment loss of $24.1 million in the quarter. Bitcoin's price hovered between $25,000 and $30,700 in the second quarter, with a notable rally in mid-June after several new spot Bitcoin ETFs were filed with the SEC. According to MicroStrategy CFO Andrew Kang, their BTC holdings increased to 152,800 BTC as of July 31, 2023, with the addition in the second quarter of 12,333 BTC being the largest increase in a single quarter since the second quarter of 2021. Kang also said that it used cash from operations to add more BTC to its balance sheet and did so against the promising backdrop of institutional interest, increasing regulatory clarity for BTC, and accounting transparency. BTC was the only cryptocurrency excluded from being a security by SEC Chair Gary Gensler. A New York-based investment firm, Berenberg Capital, also posted a bullish outlook for MicroStrategy. The firm noted that the upcoming Bitcoin halving rally could see its shares gain significantly in price. In other news, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse slams the SEC over the use of the XRP report in a lawsuit. Garlinghouse stressed Ripple's unchanged commitment to transparency but hinted that future reports might undergo some changes. On August 2, Garlinghouse expressed his disapproval of the US SEC for utilizing Ripple's quarterly XRP market report, designed to enhance transparency in the crypto industry, as evidence against the company in the ongoing lawsuit. The Ripple CEO further stated that the company initiated the reports with the intention of voluntarily offering updates on its XRP holdings. However, the reports were later used against the company in the SEC's lawsuit. Garlinghouse reiterated the company's commitment to transparency. However, he also hinted that there may be changes in future reports. In addition to the criticism by Ripple's CEO, XRP lawyer John Deaton also expressed strong disapproval of the SEC's use of these reports as evidence against the company and its executives. He stated that Ripple willingly publishes these reports on a quarterly basis, while other firms not only conceal token sales but also deliberately disguise such transactions. To wrap things up, Kenya suspends Worldcoin's crypto project over safety concerns. Kenya's Interior Ministry stated on Wednesday that it had decided to suspend the local activities of cryptocurrency project Worldcoin while government agencies assess potential risks to public safety. After the Worldcoin project launched last week, users were encouraged to give their iris scans in exchange for a digital ID. In some countries, users were offered free cryptocurrency as part of plans to create a new identity and financial network. According to Kenya's Interior Minister, Kithure Kindiki, relevant security, financial services, and data protection agencies have started inquiries and investigations to establish the authenticity and legality of Worldcoin's activities. a preliminary review of Worldcoin's operations has raised some concerns. Among them was obtaining consumer consent in return for a monetary reward, which bordered on inducement. The Worldcoin Foundation stated that it would take the time of suspension to work with the relevant authorities to boost understanding of the privacy measures it has in place in Kenya and elsewhere where it has a presence. Worldcoin added that it remains committed to providing an inclusive, privacy-preserving, decentralized on-ramp to the global digital economy. They also look forward to resuming their services in Kenya while working closely with local regulators and other stakeholders. According to reports, more than 350,000 Kenyans have already signed up for Worldcoin in exchange for a free cryptocurrency token that is currently worth around 7,000 Kenyan shillings, or $49. Since Worldcoin's launch, people all across the globe have been flocking to registration sites to get their eyes scanned by the orb. The project has also come under scrutiny in Germany, Britain, and France. These are all the latest news stories we have for you today. Don't forget to watch our daily market reports. Again, this is Ava from Ava Talks Crypto. Thanks for watching.